The US presidential election is right around the corner, and one thing we do know for sure is that market volatility will increase. Changing your investments during this time based upon short-term volatility can do long-term damage to your investments. Today, we're going to talk about how markets generally react during these times and also what you can do to avoid making decisions based upon these short-term changes in the market. Generally speaking, elections do not change the long-term underlying trends of the stock market and the economy. These trends continue across administrations. For example, in 2000, President Bush continued to see the market go downward for another 3 years before it finally turned around. In 2008, 2009, the market had just bottomed out due to the housing crisis bubble, and the market started its long upward climb. And then in 2016, under President Trump, the market has since been up 2 out of the past 3 years, continuing on a trend of it being up 6 of the previous 8 years. So how do you stay invested for the long term? Number 1, build a plan and stick with it. Your long-term plan is based on you, your goals, your priorities, and your own risk tolerance. Don't make changes to that based upon short-term moves. Your portfolio is built for these ups and downs. Number 2, focus on the big picture. Stick with your long-term plan and remember that market downturns are okay and they're normal. You don't always need to change your investment strategy based upon downward movements. Long-term though, the market returns 7 to 8%. And if you're making changes based upon short-term market volatility, you're going to lose those long-term gains that your portfolio is built for. Number 3, avoid making emotional decisions. Humans are actually not always rational and can make terrible decisions. In fact, we're really hardwired to be bad investors. So understand that and avoid making any emotional decisions during this time. Watch the news less and watch your portfolio less. Remember, many variables can affect the performance of the stock market, and an election is just one of them. If you're looking for a strong, long-term investment strategy based upon your goals, your time horizon, and your own risk tolerance, we'd be happy to help.